Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this openclaw error, failed to read configuration file. So when I try to restart openclaw gateway, I am getting this error message. Some syntax error, failed to read openclaw.json. So I will show you how we can fix this. Go to another terminal, then just run this command. Openclaw doctor -- fix.
Then stop openclaw gateway. Run this command openclaw gateway stop. Then open configuration file. See, doctor command has deleted all corrupted configurations from openclaw.json file. Using this method, you can recover your openclaw gateway service, but it will delete all your existing configurations. So you have to again configure openclaw using openclaw onboard command, or take backup of openclaw.json file before trying this method, so you can restore it later. Let me try to start gateway, see it's working.